Imagine waking up one morning and feeling a sudden weakness in your bones. Movements that were once easy now feel risky because your bones have become fragile and weak. For millions of seniors around the world, this is not just a fear, it's a reality. As we age, our bones naturally lose density and strength, a condition known as osteoporosis. This makes them more prone to fractures, breaks, and serious injuries that can drastically reduce quality of life. What's worse is that many people don't realize how much of this bone loss is preventable. The truth is, with the right nutrition and lifestyle changes, you can slow down, even stop, and sometimes reverse bone loss. Unfortunately, most seniors don't get enough of the critical nutrients their bones need to stay strong. Calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and other minerals are the building blocks of healthy bones. Without sufficient amounts of these, bones become brittle and more likely to break even with minor falls or bumps. Poor diet, lack of sunlight, and sedentary lifestyle only speed up this dangerous process. In this video, we'll reveal the most effective foods and simple habits that you can start today to protect your bones and maintain your independence for years to come. Calcium is the most essential mineral when it comes to maintaining strong and healthy bones. It makes up a large part of your bone structure, giving bones their hardness and strength. However, as we get older, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing calcium, which causes bones to lose density and become fragile, a condition known as osteoporosis. Getting enough calcium every day is crucial to prevent bone loss and reduce the risk of fractures. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are some of the best sources of calcium. If you have difficulty consuming dairy, don't worry. There are plenty of plant-based options as well. Leafy green vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach contain good amounts of calcium. Almonds and fortified plant milks can also help meet your daily needs. For adults over 50, the recommended daily intake of calcium is around 1,200 milligrams. Consistently meeting this target through your diet supports bone repair and maintenance, helping you stay active and independent longer. If you're unsure whether you're getting enough calcium, consult with your healthcare provider. Sometimes supplements may be recommended, but it's always best to try and get nutrients from whole foods first. Remember, calcium alone isn't enough. Your body also needs vitamin D to absorb calcium effectively, which we will discuss next. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health because it helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently. Without enough vitamin D, even if you consume plenty of calcium, your bones may not get the benefits they need to stay strong. This vitamin acts like a key, unlocking the door for calcium to enter your bloodstream and reach your bones. One of the best natural sources of vitamin D is sunlight. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, your body produces vitamin D naturally. However, many seniors don't get enough sun exposure due to mobility issues or spending more time indoors. This lack of sunlight can lead to vitamin D deficiency, which increases the risk of bone loss and fractures. Besides sunlight, you can get vitamin D from certain foods. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources. Egg yolks and fortified foods, such as milk and cereals, also provide vitamin D. For adults over 50, the recommended daily intake is about 800 to 1,000 international units, IU, of vitamin D. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about testing and possible supplementation. Maintaining sufficient vitamin D levels is essential not just for bone health, but also for overall immune function and muscle strength. Magnesium and phosphorus are two important minerals that play a vital role in keeping your bones strong and healthy. While calcium often gets most of the attention, these minerals are just as essential for maintaining proper bone structure and function. Magnesium helps regulate calcium levels in your body and supports the formation of bone crystals. Without enough magnesium, calcium cannot be properly absorbed or used by the bones, which may lead to weaker bones and increased risk of fractures. Good sources of magnesium include nuts like almonds and cashews, seeds such as pumpkin and sunflower seeds, whole grains and leafy green vegetables like spinach and Swiss chard. Phosphorus works closely with calcium to build strong bones and teeth. About 85% of the phosphorus in your body is stored in your bones. It also plays a key role in energy production and maintaining the body's acid-base balance. Foods rich in phosphorus include dairy products, meat, fish, poultry, nuts, and legumes. For seniors, it's important to get enough magnesium and phosphorus through a balanced diet to support bone health. Omega-3 fatty acids are widely known for their heart and brain health benefits, but they also play a significant role in maintaining strong bones. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body, which is important because chronic inflammation can accelerate bone loss and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Studies have shown that omega-3s can help improve bone density and reduce the breakdown of bone tissue. This means that by including omega-3 rich foods in your diet, you can support your bone's strength and resilience as you age. The best sources of omega-3 fatty acids are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. If you're not a fan of fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts also provide plant-based omega-3s, although in a different form called ALA, which the body partially converts into the more active forms EPA and DHA found in fish. For seniors, consuming omega-3s regularly can help not only protect bones, but also improve overall joint health and reduce stiffness. Aim to include fatty fish in your meals at least 2 times a week. Or consider omega-3 supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. But did you know they can also have a positive impact on your bone health? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and advice.